Hello everyone, good afternoon. So for today's video, we're going to discuss the table 7.4, figure 7.5, and 7.6. So let's begin with this data. So as you can see, this data came from page 182, which is the skewness with the use of computer for negatively skewed. So in here we have different steps on how to get skewness using computer, but since we don't have computer, we do it manually. So in this data we have here two columns, which is the first column is the number of students. In the second column we have here the scores that students got. So in here we have 25 students. So in order for us to get the mean, let's add the total scores and divide it by 20, the total numbers of students. So the the total scores is 2045. So 2045 divided by 25 is 81.8. So as you can see, this is our mean. 2045 divided by 25 equals 81.8. So let's continue on how to get the median. So in order to get the median, let's know first how many students that that we have. So we have 25 students. So to get the median, let's have first know what is the middle of the 25. So the middle of the 25 is 13. So 13. So we will going to count 12 up until down. So we will going to start in the 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we ended in 84. So we're going to encircle this 83. So we're going to count again another 12 from down to up. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our median is 83. So the next one is I will going to get the mode. So in order to get the mode, let us first identify what number is frequently used or repeated in the data. So we're going to first identify. So as you can see here, the frequently repeated number here is the 85. So our mode is 85. So here are the value of our mean, median, and mode. So we have here the mean 81.8, median 83, mode is 85. So let's continue with the table 7.4. So as you can see in this table, we shorten the scores. We got only the average scores, which is 90, 88, 86, 84, 82, 80, 78, 76, 74, 72, and 70. So now we will going to identify how to get the frequency. So in order to get the frequency, let's count the number of students who obtain with the scores of 90. So we'll look forward, we will going to look back to our data here. So as you can see, we have only one student who got 90 scores. So 1, 1. So in the scores 88 to 89, we have 1, 2. So 89, we have here 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 frequency. In the score 86 to 87, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. We have 3 also. So in the 84 to 85, we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 84 to 85, we have 5. In 82 to 83, 1, 2, 3, we have 3 frequency. In the 80 to 81, we have 1, 2 students who got 80 to 81 scores. And the 78 to 79, we have also 2 students. In the 76, 77 scores, we have 2 students. In the 74 and 75, we have also 2 students. In the 72, 73, we have 1 student. And in the 70, we have also 1 student. So, this is how we're going to get the frequency. So let's move on with this and let's proceed to the line graph. So for now, let's proceed to the line graph, which is in the figure 7.5. So this graph line shows negative distribution based on the table 7.4. So this will going to graph here based on the data came from table 7.4. So first we have here the 70 scores which have only 1 frequency. So 1 student obtained 70 score. So to 70. In the 72, we have also 1 student. In 74, we have also 2 students. 76, 2 students. 78, 2 students. 80, 2 students. 82, 3 students. 84, 5 students. 84, 5 students. 86, 3 students. 3 students. 88, 3 students. And lastly, 91 students. So, we're going to connect this dot. So, we're going to plot on also our mean, which is 81.8. So 80.8. So this is our mean. Our median is 83. This is our median. And our mode is 85, which is the very last value. So 85. So this is our mode. So this is a negatively skewed looks like. So we are done in finding mean, median, and mode, and also line graph. So let's proceed to my artificial data. So, which is the scores of practicum of grade 7 Einstein. So, in this data, we have here the table, which have a two columns. The first column is the number of students, and the second one is the scores that students obtain. So we have here the number of students, total of 25 students, and also we have here the scores, which is the total is 2040. So in order to get the mean, so let's have first add all these scores. So we already add these scores with a total of 2040. So 2040 divided by 25 equals 81.6. So this is our mean. Mean equals 2040 divided by 25 is equals to 81.6. So let's proceed to our median. So as you can see, we have here the total students of 25. So the middle of 25 is 13. So in our score, we're going to count 12 up to down. So going to count here. So we will going to start 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we ended in 83. So let encircle the scores 82. So we're going to continue the method. We're going to count another 12 down up to up. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, we end up in 82. So our median is 82. So this is our median. So let's proceed on how to get our mode. So as I said earlier, in order to get the mode, let's identify what numbers are frequently appear in our data, or repeated scores. So as you can see in our data, we have here 84. So our mode is 84 because it is the only number that frequently appear in our data or in our scores. So our mode is, so we have here our value. So our mean is 81.6. Our median is 82 and our mode is 84. So let's proceed to our shortened table. So as you can see in our table, so we shorten our score. So we only get the average score. So let's find, or let's identify the frequency. So as I've said earlier, in order to get the frequency, we just going to add the number of students who got the scores. So we have here the scores 90, and we have also only one student who got 90. So 1. In 88 to 89, we have 2 students. In our 86 to 87, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 students. In 84 to 85, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 students who obtain scores 84 to 85. In 82 to 83, we have 1, 2, 3. We have also 3 students who obtain 82 to 83 scores. In our 80 to 81, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have also 3 students. In 79 to 78, in 78 to 79 rather, we have also 1, 2 students. In our 76 to 77, we have also 2 students. In our 74 to 75, we have also 2 students. And lastly, in our 72 to 73, we have 2 students. So, with a total of 6, 11, 14, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. 25. So, these are our frequency. So, let's proceed to our line graph. So, this is our line graph. So, as you can see in our y-axis, we have here our frequency. In our x-axis, we have here our scores. We have the frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our scores, we have 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. So, let's start to graph. So, in our 72, we have here the frequency of 2. So, 72, 2. In our 74, we have also 2 frequency. In our 76, we have also 2 frequency. In our 78, we have also 2 students. In our 80 scores, we have 3 frequency. In our 82, we have also 3 frequency. In our 84 score, we have 5 students who got 84 to 85 score. So 5. 84, 5. In our 86, we have 3 frequency. In our 88, we have 2 frequency. And last one, in our 90 score, we have 1 frequency. So we're going to connect the dot. So we're going to graph also the value of our mean is 81.6. So 81.6. This is our mean. Our median is 82. And lastly, our mode is 84. So this is our negatively skewed distribution looks like. Proceed to the another figure, which is the figure 7.6. Leptocortic and platycortic distribution with the same arithmetic mean. So as you can see here in the figure, we have here the figure which shows the leptocortic. This figure shows the leptocortic, and this one shows the platycortic. So by the way guys, leptocortic is the distribution has pointed curve and peak at the top, and figure tells the value of kurtosis is more than 3. So as you can see, leptocortic here is in the very top of the figure. So this one. So the next one is platycortic, which is the distribution is flat on the top or flat top curve. The value of kurtosis is less than 3. So as you can see here, the figure, it is in the top of the figure. This is the flattened. So the top is the flat. So this is the platycortic.